So, guys, today I'll be telling you how my girls' trip went with my NYC sisters. Okay, guys, before we continue, if you're here to subscribe to my channel, kindly do well to subscribe. This is me on the first day I'm awake, and my friend is ready for work, so I walked out to the gate. I came back, brushed my teeth, had my bath, and I ate. And what did I do next? Oh, I made a reel. Okay, I made this reel. After which, I left my phone and I slept. So I woke up. This is me unpacking. After which, I went to the sitting room. I said, let me watch television. One might say, no, you're hungry. Go and eat. What will I eat in this kitchen? Let me share cook noodles. That was how I made these noodles with egg, which I sat down to eat. You all know how I used to take my time to eat. So I'm done eating. It took a while to finish that small food. So go and keep plate or good care. Then you come and sit down and watch television. I was skeptical on one movie to choose. I was saying, which one would I watch now? Last I chose Shotgun Wedding. Guys, this movie is interesting. If you have not seen it, I'm recommending it. Jennifer Lopez, she did her thing. Okay. So I think this was sister-in-law. So this is her mama. You know all those rich mother vibes. Yeah. This is me enjoying this movie. I enjoy it. Let me give you people small thriller.
I tried to make this wedding perfect. And it all got ruined the day your boy Sean showed up.
This has nothing to do with Sean. This is about your insecurity. And this whole wedding was your way of trying to get control of your life. Because you have to...
Fine. I'll tell you where she is. That's French. Somebody's Spanish. You're for my man. You know we can fix this. Give us up. I give you money. You walk away with your life. I don't want to hear you. You and I had a race.
Sean, be reasonable. He saved us.
Listen here, woman.
It's okay. It's just a question. Relax. Just breathe into it.
I've almost showed you guys all of the movie, but no, that's not all of the movie. Let me go and make dinner. So before this girl will come back, I have cooked. That was how I went to prepare rice and beans. While I was at it, she came back from work. I went to say hello. She came into the kitchen to gist. You know, normal now, girls and gist. Guys to like gist, sha. So, see me laughing. I think I've done. Yeah, I had finished cooking. This is my rice and beans, guys. It was very sweet, sha. People know me, I can cook. I know. That's how we ate. This is us having dinner. We ate with banana. Yeah. So after which I said, let me watch wedding album. Since I wasn't able to attend the wedding. See a fine husband. See wedding. See every. I shall miss to. Face, what are you doing? You're kissing man. That was it for that day. I went to sleep. So the next day, she's always coming to wake us up in the morning. She come to wake me up. Let's go and watch film. Early morning, say let's go and watch film. Can you imagine? That was how we went to see Elevator Baby.
Doctor, I can see her head.
Tell Abigail to stop pushing.
Okay, stop pushing.
You need to cradle the baby's head after the shoulder slips out, and the rest of the body will
How
follow.
do I do that, doctor?
Gently cup your hands beneath the baby's head and help guide the
At this point, we were hungry, Jerry. That was how we went to make breakfast. And we had bread and tea that morning. After which, we said, let us go out. We're all dressing up. This is myself, and this is Dorcas. And then Faith was dressing up in the other room. So, this is us. We are done dressing. What were you doing? Okay, we're just making a video. You guys know that this girl, she does always hear what. She's the one always wearing something else. But this time around, she was going to change. She was going to change. So this was made this video. After a very long time coming back together. We are shy excited to see ourselves. So we say, okay, first things first. What is the first thing you do if you come to Port Harcourt if not to go and eat bole and fish? Let us shall go to Bole Village. Bole Villa. I don't even know what it's called. So this is us on our way to the Bole Village. I've reached there and we are laughing and doing like normal us, sha. So if you get to this place, you just everybody jumps and you come and buy from me. They're like different set of persons selling. So this one is wanting to buy, this one is wanting to buy. That was how we shop us from two different people. And we went to the drinks section. Well, these people, their marketing strategies and they're like advertising everything. Even when I'm telling them we do not want this one, you see this guy, he wants to bring out everything for you to make a choice. But we already have our choice though. And this girl too, see her smile. So after deciding on every, we carried our food and drinks and went to this table to eat. Then it was already getting late, so this was we were on our way back home. So we got home, normal thing. I've come to cheese. So Dorcas said the camera. Seriously, we have come to talk, and we just talk about how they went, and all the girls thing. All the while we've always been over the phone, and see that girl. See how she's shining her eyes. She's the most dramatic one. You guys think I'm dramatic? No. You see this black hair? Yeah, this one, yeah. So there's no dumb moment with these girls, and this is my friend Dorcas with that gap teeth. See her smile. It was fun. I don't know. Let me let you guys hear what we're saying.
What's the name one? That's what in the baby. And that's sister but me.
So day 3, as usual, has come to wake us up. We've decided to, again, morning gist. How we'll make food today. See us in the kitchen. We are going to make stew and soup, and I, Chef Oni, will be making afan soup today. So stay tuned to see my soup, and if you want tutorials, let me know so that I would show you how to make afan soup. See Chef face. Okay, this is me and those Dorcas over there. Face. Thank you. Oh, see me, I'm almost done. Test your soup, fine girl. Test your soup to know if every it's okay. So at this time, it's already raining heavily, like very heavy. Port Harcourt and rain now. And we're supposed to go to Michael's garden today, but because of this rain, we just went to. We had to wait until after the rain. It was late. We just let's just go somewhere and sit out that night. Then we went to where was this place? Okay, Tap Out or Top Out. What is it called? We went here. We got inside. Everywhere was very dark. It was not interesting. It has rained, and this was not where we planned on going to. So it was just not interesting. We just stayed for a little while and we went back to the house. And everybody just slept. The rain has spoiled everything. Nobody was in the mood. So the last day, it was on a Sunday. After I finished dressing up, I realized I didn't come something to cover my hair. And my friend attends a Catholic church. You cannot go to their church with your hair open And surprisingly and unbelievably, she didn't have an extra head tie. Oh, so I had to stay at home, and then I joined my church online.
Marriage. So the blood of Jesus Christ, was shed to be a perfect remedy for sin.
So at this time, they are back from church. It's already drizzling. If you should see their faces, you see some drops of rain. You just watch movie. This is Selena being bored. This girl, she's very funny. Oh.
My name you're Selena, right?
Then we made reels, myself and Dorcas. I think Faith was already sleeping.
我心态很傻，像我因為讀溫馨晒的紅青葉，紅青葉都不在輕正晒青葉，晒青葉晒鹽鮮鹽不反正正。
When, what, beggar, burger, turkey, furniture, curtain is cotton, not curtain. What is curtain? It's cotton. Cotton, not curtain. Umbrella, doctor, T-O-R, nurse. This guy here finished me. Since you think Nigerian accent is the better one, say the boss took a bus. The boss took a bus. How can you have a boss taking a bus? Okay. Since you say Ghana accent is the best, say I fed my pastor a pasta. I fed my pastor a pasta. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? What's wrong?
So today's rain did not stop at all. So we used the day to watch TV, gist, and we ordered this shawarma. The shawarma is very nice and rich, and drinks. So we had the shawarma, we had drinks, after which we went to the bed, and the next day myself and Dorcas, we went back to our respective state of residence. So guys, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you.